welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell from the title, today I'm gonna be baking cookies. So these cookies are for a gender reveal, so everything is gonna be pretty much about the cute little babies. So the recipe that I'm gonna use, I got from a YouTuber. Her name is Steph, and I think her social media goes by Cookies by Steph, so that's the recipe I'm gonna be using. Okay, so I have my mixing bowl right here. I am going to be using a hand mixer because I don't have a stand mixer, so I'm gonna be using a hand mixer. And I have right here all the ingredients. I already have everything measured out. So right here I have 1 cup of butter, 3 eggs, 4 tablespoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 4 cups of flour, and 1.5 cup of sugar, granulated sugar. In my bowl, I'm gonna be creaming the butter. I'm gonna be creaming the butter with my sugar and my vanilla. The sugar, you could still feel the graininess of the sugar, but that's okay because I won't get everything completely mixed. But now I'm gonna add my eggs. It's 3 eggs. I'm gonna add my eggs and continue mixing. Separate bowl, I'm gonna mix all my dry ingredients to make sure that it's fully mixed together and evenly distributed throughout the flour. So I just added my baking powder and my salt to my flour. Just gonna use my small baby spoon and just mix it up. So all my dry ingredients is in this bowl, and this is how the butter, sugar, and egg looks. And now I'm going to be adding the dry ingredients to this one, and that's where my dough is going to form. So my dough came together nicely. So now it's time to roll it out. A little bit of flour on my table that's clean. Some flour on the table, and I'm just gonna roll my dough out. You don't wanna knead your dough because you don't wanna overwork the dough. So I'm just gonna get a nice little ball and then roll it out. So I'm gonna roll this real thin, not too thin, but
this would be so much easier if I had my baking mat, but at this present moment, I don't know where my baking mat is. I could go a little bit thinner. I'm just going to keep rolling until I get the thinness that I need on my dough.
do a few of each. And I'm gonna try to utilize as much of the dough as possible. Then I have this little bottle.
I have some cute little baby feet. Left and right and left and right. Super cute. I have a bin.
Okay, so I'm basically finishing the process of rolling out the doughs. I did a little extra something. The couple didn't request this, but I did a little extra something. I made some little tiny baby moles, and I also spelled out the word baby. And we have some little feet right there, whatever, but I'm basically done with that process. I have cookies over there cooling. I have cookies in the oven. I still have to make my royal icing for the decoration of the cookies. For the royal icing, I'm gonna use powdered sugar. I have 2 bags of powdered sugar because I need 4 pounds, sorry. I need 4 pounds of powdered sugar, so it's 2 bags. I have here 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and this is some meringue powder. I use the Wilton, and I'm gonna add water. I am going to make this off camera. Once I clean up and I'm doing the decorating process, I'm gonna come back and just show. All my cookies are done and beautiful. Some got a little bit burnt, but it's okay. So as you can see, I have my onesies. I have my little square shapes, my onesies, my bibs, the little feet on the top, the bottles, and I did some hearts, some question marks, and I did a baby. I do know that the only reason that B got burned is because it was a little bit thinner, so it baked a little bit faster than the rest of the cookie, but that's okay because it's going to be covered with the decoration. These are 2 that I did because I did make some colors that I'm going to use, and I did these 2 off camera. And can you tell me how cute is these little baby moles, baby cookies? They are so freaking cute. But yeah, so all the cookies are done, and it's time for the decoration. I might do the decorations off camera because I am super tired, but anyhow, I'm gonna get these done and you're gonna see the final look. And this is just a little clip of me decorating the cookies that I added in just to show you. So right now what I'm doing is using the royal icing. There's 2 different consistencies that I'm gonna be using. This one is a thicker consistency. That's what I use to make do the outline of the cookie. And then the one that you see me doing right now is called the filler, which is a thinner consistency, and that one is used to fill the inside of the cookie. And then I'm just gonna be using a toothpick to kind of like, you know, fill in the patches, pop any bubbles that might be in there, but pretty much that's it. So this is the decorating process of the cookies. Good morning. So it's the next day. I got the cookies done Everything is completed. I was up until about maybe 1 this morning doing the cookies, so I'm up. They're fully dried. So here we have the little tiny babies, footprints, the word baby. We have the bibs that are so cute, the bottles. So yeah, so this is the finished products, guys. Finished product. And this is actually, believe it or not, my first time doing these super cute cookies for someone. And here I have 5.5 dozens of cookies. I'm gonna get them ready for shipping because these products are actually going to Florida. I'm in Houston, Texas, and these are going to Florida. So I have my boxes ready to go. And again, it's a gender reveal. So I have my boxes ready to go. I have my little cards ready to go with my business card. And we're all good. So like always, guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys do try these cookies because the recipe from Steph is really good. These cookies are super yummy and they look good. And yeah, so thank you again for watching my videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. As much support as I can get, I would appreciate it. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye.